So buying low and selling high, usually this is how you make money within crypto. But did you know that investors are making thousands of dollars every month passively as well with these few crypto strategies? In this video we'll be going over my top 3 favorite crypto passive income strategies and how to get started with each one of them today. By the end of this video, whether the market is going up or even going down, these strategies here will ensure you'll still making consistent income from the crypto market today. So to begin, the easiest way to earn passive income on your crypto is by utilizing interest-bearing accounts. In terms of risk versus reward ratio, this has the lowest amount of risk but will yield the lowest amount of returns. Let's talk about how this works and how it even compares to the traditional savings accounts. So similar to a traditional saving account where you deposit money into your bank and that bank lends out money in order for you to interest. You can do the exact same thing within crypto, but in this case the bank will be an exchange and you can find yourself making way more money that you could do in a traditional saving account. Gemini is a very popular exchange and it states that you can even earn up to 8% APY on your crypto including stablecoins. When you compare this to the national average of saving accounts interest rates, which is currently at 0.06%, the first thing that comes to my mind is that this sounds a little bit too good to be true. How in the world you can earn 110 times more upsides without any notable downside so far other than the fact that your money is in the crypto markets? Exchanges such as Gemini are considered one of the safest exchanges where you can buy, sell, store, earn interest on your crypto, and that's because they're heavily regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services and offer industry-leading security on your account. Now, if you were to compare these to every non-crypto traditional saving accounts you participate in, you would find yourself getting really appealed by the crypto industry has to offer. You choose with which exchange you want to go with. Every exchange has their own return percentage and on every single asset this percentage is different. We are going to take Gemini for this example. What I'm going to do is log in into my Gemini exchange on my web browser. All we do next is click the Earn tab and then select the crypto on which we want to earn interest on. Now, if you were to invest $1,000 into the market today, you would earn $80 your first year, $167 your second year, $261 your third year, and $363 your fourth year. Now, say you have a little bit more money saved up and you want to put in $10,000 into the Earn program. You would actually net $3,630 in passive income over the next 4 years literally by doing nothing at all. So what's cool about Gemini is that they don't charge you any hidden fees for minimum account balances, transfer redemption fees, and on top of that you can also get free $25 in free Bitcoin to get started using my link down below in the description. When it comes to earning passive income with crypto, this is the lowest risk method and still the power of compound interest behind you. You can rest assured your money is truly working for you with virtually zero downside. Now, the next passive income strategy on my list is going to be staking. Cryptocurrency staking has been growing rapidly in its popularity because of its ease of use and the ability to earn even more additional income on various amount of cryptocurrencies. First of all, in order to understand the process of earning free money from staking, you need to understand the basics of proof of stake, which is one of the two main ways that a blockchain reaches consensus, or in other words, is a way for a blockchain to validate transactions. So how you earn money is that each blockchain has a set amount of crypto rewards for validating a block of transactions. When you stake crypto and you're choosing to validate transactions, you receive those crypto rewards. When it comes to staking your crypto, there is a much higher potential of earning reward, but also at the cost of these few risks that I'm going to mention here. First, when it comes to staking your crypto, oftentimes you do have to lock it up for a predetermined period of time, although the duration of how long you lock up your crypto is entirely up to you. If you needed to cash it out immediately in between your lockup period, you would not be able to withdraw it until the lockup period has been fully completed, or you would have to pay a high penalty fee to do it. Beyond the financial gains and rewards of staking, there are some additional good reasons why you may even want to consider staking your crypto. This is because you're directly contributing to the security of the network, and staking helps to give a long-term approach which generally pays off in crypto, and you don't need any equipment at all, and it's also a great way to educate yourself on how the technology works. Now, the top coins that currently offer staking is gonna be Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Cosmos, EOS, Binance Coin, and eventually Ethereum 2.0. With this crypto, you can still find yourself earning way more than those crypto interest yield bearing accounts, but there is still that risk of that lockup period. The more you lock it up, the higher interest you'll have, and the less short-term lockup period you go through, the smaller bit of interest you'll earn. Now, to get started with staking, it's actually really simple. There are even platforms that give you promotional staking offers where you can find yourself getting 50% or more now. Here is how you can get started today. Binance has a different variety of different tools that you can use, but what we are going to do here is go to the Earn section and go to Staking. In the Locked Staking section, you can see all the different tokens that you can choose to stake. They have different minimum durations, and the more days you stake a crypto, the higher will be the interest APY. You can stake BNB here, and for a lockup period of 120 days, you'll be getting 13% APY on your initial amount. So why not to have your crypto work for you? It's free money on the table, and if you guys want to get started, don't forget to check out the links down below. If you sign up to Binance with my link in the description, you will get 20% off on any future transaction fees. The third strategy we have is yield farming. So yield farming has the highest risk, but it also has the highest upside in earning passive income if you know how to do it right. Yield farming is the process of token holders maximizing rewards across various DeFi platforms. Essentially, yield farming is a process of trying to maximize the return of capital through leveraging various decentralized finance protocols. Individuals who participate in yield farming will attempt to seek out the highest yield or rates of return, which are the rates that revolve around various protocol strategies, by moving the funds around between those different protocols or swap token for higher generating yield. In order for this process to happen, you have yield farmers which provide liquidity to various token pairs and earn rewards in cryptocurrencies. So yield farming is a bit of a complicated process and exposes both borrowers and lenders to financial risk, and this industry has also been known for rug pulls, high volatility, and even a lot more regulatory risk. Now, if you want to learn more about how you could even get started with yield farming, you first need to understand what liquidity pools are and a term called impermanent loss. Easiest way to explain this: liquidity pools are crowd sources of cryptocurrencies or tokens that are locked in a smart contract that is used to facilitate trades between the asset on a decentralized exchange, also known as DEX. Many DeFi platforms use automated market makers which allow digital assets to be traded in an automatic manner through the use of liquidity pools. Liquidity pools were created to make a better trading experience, and it also incentivizes users who provided that liquidity into those pools as a reward. Now, I will say, although providing funds to a liquidity pool can be a pretty profitable venture, impermanent loss can also happen when you provide liquidity to a liquidity pool, and in this case the loss means less dollar value at the time of withdrawal than the time of deposit. So majority of the time, for many yield farming protocols, the interest is given to newly launched blockchain apps that need to sustain long-term growth. This in turn can increase community participants and increase the liquidity by rewarding users with incentives such as governance tokens, app transaction fees, and other funds. Now, if you did want to get started with yield farming, it's actually pretty simple. So in order to get started with earning money through liquidity pools, it isn't as scary as you might think it is. Check PancakeSwap. This is one of the most reputable and well-known dexes that you can get started on. They say on their website, used by millions, trusted with billions, and PancakeSwap has the most users of any decentralized platform ever. Scrolling down between the pairing of these cryptocurrencies and then the liquidity pools, you'll notice that the APR between some of them is extremely high. Make sure that you don't experience that impermanent loss when you do have too much of a difference of price between depositing it and making sure that it is used for that certain pool. Yield farming is also highly competitive. The rewards can fluctuate rapidly and the income is passive. For this, I will definitely say that it's much better for experienced crypto traders who have time on their hands, and it may not be the best for newer investors. This is definitely the highest risk passive income method on this list. Generating passive income on your crypto can be a rewarding option, but as with many things in the crypto world, make sure you do your own research and please understand the risk before you jump in. The amount you earn can increase or decrease based on your risk tolerance, and I do recommend you to start slow at first. If you want to get started with any of these strategies that I mentioned, don't forget to check out the links down below in the description, and also thank you all for watching this video. And if you want to stay updated, always receive the best news before anyone else and make some free money as well, make sure to join my free Telegram group. The link is down below in the description. I'm also doing giveaways weekly, so make sure to check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content and drop a like down below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Till then, bye bye.